MOOSOO Robot Vacuum, Wi-Fi connected, 2000 pascal suction, smart gyroscope navigation, works with Alexa and Google Assistant, quiet, super thin robotic vacuum cleaner, ideal for pet hair, carpets, hard floors. 2000 pascals powerful suction with 2000 pascal strong suction power and an advanced 3-stage cleaning system. MOOSOO RT30 Robot Vacuum lifts embedded dust, dirt, crumbs, and pet hair. Its dual anti-scratch brushes deliver a perfect cleaning performance to carpet and hardwood floors while maintaining a quiet run. Slim design helps the robot vacuum to reach every corner of a house or narrow space, clean leftover dirty areas, and keep your house neat. App control and voice control, built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi that enables the MOOSOO app to perform remote controls, including scheduling cleaning in multiple cleaning modes. MOOSOO Robot Vacuum works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Accomplish your vacuuming needs with zero effort from you. Remote control is also included in the package for your convenience. FreeMove 2.0 Technology. FreeMove Technology helps the robot vacuum detect probable stuck areas and adjust the cleaning path automatically. Anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection. 360 degrees smart sensor helps the robot vacuum accurately dodge obstacles and anti-drop. A triple filtration system makes for easier cleaning and less maintenance. 6 cleaning modes and adjustable suction power. The RT30 Smart Vacuum Robot Cleaner supports 6 cleaning modes including auto cleaning, spot cleaning, edge cleaning, max vacuum, plan cleaning, manual cleaning. Freely switch between different modes and power levels as you want. Moreover, when it is on the carpet, it will automatically increase the suction power for a better clean effect. What you get: MOOSOO RT30 Robot Vacuum, charging base, AC power adapter, remote control, 4 side brushes, 3 HEPA, with sponge, cleaning tool, user manual, and click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.